Hello everybody, today I want to tell you about how to change Facebook name on iPhone. Now let me show you. Open your Facebook. Remember update your app first, okay? Now when you are here in the corner, can you watch three lines? Touch here and then scroll down, okay? And touch in your settings and privacy and settings. When you are here, touch in your account center and then in profiles and personal details. Touch here, select your Facebook profile, okay? Here the first option and then your first option again, name, and here you can change your first your name. Now remember, not is possible put one name, okay? If you watch another video, in this video the people say, hey, if you use my VPN on Indonesia, you can change your name and put your name. Don't trust him, okay? It's so easy, understand this. Don't trust in that people. It's so weird and not is possible. Facebook not permit or not let you put one name, okay? Is that person this? Hey, use my link on my below in my description. Don't trust him, okay? That person maybe one stole your personal information, okay? And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.